session also we will focus on yoga for coronavirus. What all breathing exercises we should do, what all asanas we should do to strengthen our respiratory system, where the lung is the bigger part of the respiratory system. Along with that, we'll focus on clearing or cleaning our nose, throat, and then the full respiratory system. We'll start in the sitting posture. Please sit in the comfortable position the way you like, with your one leg up, or sit in the Sukhasana, or you can sit in the Padmasana. If kids are doing it, kids should easily be able to do the Padmasana. So take your right leg, keep your right heel on the left thigh, and then take your left heel, keep it on your right thigh. That is the Padmasana position. Sit like this. We will do 3 deep breathings to get ourselves in the present. Inhale deeply for at least 7 seconds. Hold it for a couple seconds and then exhale for 7 seconds. When you are inhaling, make sure you are filling all the air in your lungs, not on the stomach. If you are wearing any kind of watch, please keep that away from you. Keep all the distractions away from you at least for an hour and just be with yourself. Let's do it 2 more times. One more deep breath. Keep your hands on the sides. We will do Bhastrika Pranayam, where the focus is on inhale, exhale, and we will do it with a little bit of the body movements. Keep your hands on the sides, inhale, and then go back towards your left hand will go back. Keep your right hand on the left knee and then look back. This should give very good spine twist. Back remains straight all the time. You are looking back. Stay here for a couple seconds, breathing normally. Exhale and then come in the front. Let's do this on the other side. Exhale and come back. Let's do one more round of spinal twists. When you're keeping your hand on the left side of the knee, press the hand a little bit to get an extra twist. Exhale and come back. Other side. Exhale and come back. Next, we will keep our hand on the side and we will do the side twist. So keep your left hand on the ground, right hand goes up. You inhale and bend yourself. Exhale and come back. Let's do the other side. Right hand goes down, left hand comes up. When you are in this posture, you should feel a lot of stretch here. आगे नहीं झुकना है, बिल्कुल सीधा ही रखिए, बैक स्ट्रेट रखिए. Exhale and come back. Let's do 2 more rounds of the side bends. Left hand goes down. Inhale. Exhale. Other side. Exhale and come back. Relax. So after this, we will do a little bit of the neck exercises. Your right hand goes up, keep it on the side of your head like this. We will inhale deeply and then neck or the head will be pushing your hand and hand will be pushing the head. Alright, so inhale and then push your hand towards your head, keep your head strong and then push your head towards the hand. Do it for like a couple seconds and then exhale and release. Let's do it on the other side. Left hand goes up here, inhale, and then push, exhale and come back. We'll do it with both the hands. Both the hands you keep like this. Keep it on your forehead. We'll inhale, forehead will push on the hands and hands will push on the forehead. Exhale and come back. Both the hands on the back side of the head. Head is pushing on the hands and hands are pushing on the head. When you push, you should feel a little bit of vibration in your neck or head. Exhale and come back. We'll do the last round of this. In this case, we are going to keep both the hands here. And this time we are going to keep hands on our neck, not on the head. So hand will push the neck and neck will push back. Inhale and push. Let's do this one more time. Hands on the neck. Inhale. And push. Relax. We'll do a little bit of slow movement, couple more slow movements. Keep your hands on the side. As we inhale deeply into our lungs, hands will go back straight and then we'll hold the hands there. After a couple seconds, we'll come back in this position again and we'll exhale slowly. Inhale along with the hand movements. Inhale deeply into your lungs. Fully expand your lungs. And then hold the breath in your lungs. Exhale and slowly come back. Exhale very slow along with the hand movements. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale. One more time. कीप योर हैंड्स एक्टिव. अगर आप हैंड्स को अगर यूं करके बस ऐसे कर लेंगे तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. पूरा हैंड्स को एक्टिव रखिए, लंग्स को एक्टिव रखिए और श्वास के साथ कीजिए. अगर हैंड्स को बस यूं कर लिया तो उससे कुछ भी बॉडी पे कुछ भी इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. वी विल डू द exact same inhalation exhalation with hands on the side. Slow inhale into lungs and then hold there. Exhale and come back. Let's do this one more time. Inhale. Relax. Now we are moving into a little bit of fast breathing. Choose your own pace, medium or fast as per your body. If you had any surgery last 1 year, do it slow. If you have very high BP, do it slow. Your body will tell you what the pace you should keep. Keep your hands in front of you. I'll show it once in the slow motion. Inhale. Relax. We'll do this 2 more times. Hands straight. We'll inhale and then go back and expand our lungs. और exhale के साथ वापस आना. Relax. Hands were in the front. In this case, we'll do the exact same thing. सांस लेते हुए हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे और सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे आएंगे. झटके से थोड़ा सा हल्का सा. जब आप ऊपर जाएं तो शोल्डर्स को यूं नहीं करना है. शोल्डर्स बिल्कुल नीचे ही रहेंगे. रिलैक्स. We will do this at least 2 more times. This is very good to clear our nose. Keep your hands in this position. Keep it here under the chin. We will inhale and both the hands will go back. And then neck will also go back, chest will also go back. There will be a bend in your spine. We'll exhale and come back in the front. We'll do it 10 times. Inhale, do it with the breath please. Hold here for 2-3 seconds. And then exhale and come back. Relax. Rub your palms, keep them on your eyes. We'll do another breathing exercise. Keep your hands on the toe. We will inhale deeply and the left hand will pull your right hand from the back side of your head. पूरा inhale करके left hand से right hand को नीचे खींचिए. And then exhale and come back. Let's do this couple of times. Opposite direction. Relax. Rub your hands. Keep down your eyes. Now we'll do another body movement. Your hands will be on the sides. We will inhale. Your hands will be on the sides like this. You will inhale and hands will go up. And as you exhale, hands will come down. But this time we are from this portion of our hand, we are going to hit the sides of our ribs to activate this side. Shoulders नीचे ही रहेंगे, shoulders को ऊपर नहीं करना, shoulders नीचे ही रहेंगे. अपने रिब्स को साइड्स में यहाँ से मारना है. चलिए 2 राउंड और करते हैं इसके, एटलीस्ट 10 टाइम्स each राउंड. Relax. Let's do this one more time. Relax. Hands go on the shoulders, and then we are going to make kind of a bicycle type movement with our hands. Hands will not do like this. Our goal is to activate our rib cage. So do this with breathing. It will be like this. Move your ribs a little bit. Do it with the breathing. Relax. With your hands. Keep them on your eyes. That was Bhastrika Pranayam. That's the first phase of our yoga session today. We will end Bhastrika Pranayam with the fast breathing without any body movements. So your hands will come in the front, and then you will breathe heavily with your nose. Mouth will remain closed, and as you are breathing into your lungs. But this time it is like fast breathing. Let's do this at least for 30 seconds. Relax. Rub your hands. Get them in your eyes. Let's do same Bhastrika Pranayam one more time. Hands in the front, and then inhale, exhale deeply, fast from the nose, जैसे कि हम रनिंग करने के बाद में या जॉगिंग करने के बाद में, our body is stationary but your breath is still moving heavily. Goal is to kind of be like that. Relax. Put your hands. So that finishes first phase of our yoga session today. You can come out of Padmasana. Now we will do little bit of exercises for increasing blood circulation in our body. That will be in the standing pose. So please stand up. Keep your hands in the front. We will inhale and then hands will go back, back will also go back, and then we'll exhale and then come in the front. We will do it like at least 5 times. Relax. Let's do clapping for 30 seconds to increase a lot of blood circulation in our body. Relax. Let's do this one more time, same thing. Relax. Keep a little bit of gap in your legs. Hands on the sides. Side bends करेंगे. Inhale करते हुए नीचे जाएंगे और exhale करते हुए ऊपर आएंगे. जैसे हमने बैठ के किया था बिल्कुल वैसे है. Exhale करते हुए बीच में आइए. Inhale करते हुए नीचे जाना. इसमें से आगे नहीं झुकना, ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हो. बिल्कुल बैक स्ट्रेट है, सिर्फ स्पाइन ट्विस्ट हो रही है. You should feel a lot of pressure here as well as here. Relax. We'll do the forward bend. योगा में कभी भी फॉरवर्ड बेंड करना है तो हम ऐसे नहीं नीचे जाएंगे. हमारे हाथ हम पीछे से ऐसे लेकर आए. और कभी भी बैकवर्ड्स बेंड करना है तो हाथ आगे से ही यूं पीछे जाता है हमेशा. तो चलिए, लेट्स डू द फॉरवर्ड बेंड. Exhale completely. Stay in this posture. You should let your head hang heavy. Let your hands hang heavy. You should feel lot of stretch on the back side of your knee. Stay like this and then slowly bend your left leg only. Keep the right leg straight. Goal is to get deep stretch into your right leg. We'll reverse. We'll make the left leg straight. We'll exhale and then right leg bends a little bit. This time you are feeling a lot of stretch in your left leg. And then exhale. Let's repeat it one more time. Left leg bend. Right leg bend. Relax, come back. You'll do the same forward bend, but this time our legs are stretched. Please stretch your legs as your body allows and then bend forward. Keep the hands on the sides of your leg and then stay in this posture. It's like your head is below your head. Stay here. Now keep your hands in the middle. Slowly, very slowly bring your hands towards your right leg, both the hands. You should feel deep stretch into your right leg at this point. Exhale and slowly come in the middle with the hands. Move towards the left side. Hold here for a couple seconds. Exhale and come in the middle. Let's do one more round of this. Right side. In the middle. Left side. In the middle. Both hands here. Come up. And come back up. So we'll do a little bit of our lateral movements of our legs. So please move your legs like this, spread the legs a little bit, and then right leg goes back like that, hands remain there, in the middle, left leg goes there. Inhale, right leg goes back, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Do this couple of times. You should feel a lot of pressure here. This is good hip opener. This time we are going to move our hands also with the lateral movement of our legs. So right leg goes back and then hands will go up. Inhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Please do it with the breath. Relax. Let's sit down. That was a little bit of warm up to increase the blood circulation in our body. Sit again in the comfortable position. Now we are moving to second type of breathing exercise. Before we do that, let's calm ourselves down. Keep both the hands on your knees. You can pick any mudra. Pick any mudra for both the hands, keep them on your legs. Close your eyes. Let's listen to our heartbeat, the music of our body with closed eyes for a few seconds. Enjoy the silence. Clear all the thoughts from your mind. Whole day we keep our mind so busy with several types of thoughts. Even while during sleep. During sleep also a lot of thoughts keep coming. So give rest to your mind. Do not think about anything else. Now we'll move to Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Those who have done it in the last sessions or has been doing at home, please continue to do so. We will do this Anulom Vilom Pranayam for next 5 minutes. Those who have not done it before, I will explain. So with your right thumb, you will close your right nostril. You will breathe from the left nostril. Once you are fully inhaled, you will close your left nostril with the 2 fingers and then hold for a couple seconds. Exhale from the right nostril. After this, inhale again from the right nostril. Close right nostril. Exhale from opposite. This is also called alternate breathing. जिस नासिका छिद्र से आपने सांस लिया है, उसके अपोजिट से आपको सांस छोड़ना है, नाक को बंद करके, और फिर जहां से सांस को छोड़ा है उसी नासिका छिद्र से सांस दोबारा लेकर ऑपोजिट साइड से छोड़ना. In between inhale and exhale, we will pause our breath for 2-3 seconds. और आपने जो inhale मान लो 5 to 7 seconds किया है, तो exhale भी 5 to 7 seconds ही करना है. Inhale into your lungs. पेट बिल्कुल भी मूव नहीं होगा, पेट वहीं रहेगा. Right hand you can keep like this or this, doesn't matter. Shoulders down, back straight, neck straight. Do it with the closed eyes. सांस को एकदम छोड़ देंगे तो पता भी नहीं लगेगा। सांस को पूरा कंट्रोल के साथ धीरे धीरे छोड़िए। This pranayam can be done by everybody, no matter what your age is. प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज कर सकते हैं, एल्डरली लोग कर सकते हैं, जिसकी सर्जरी हुई है वो भी कर सकता है, जिसका या आप लेटे हुए भी कर सकते हैं, बट आपकी बैक स्ट्रेट रहनी चाहिए, नेक स्ट्रेट रहनी चाहिए। आपने खाना खाया हुआ है तो भी इस प्राणायाम को आप कर सकते हैं, बट थोड़ा सा गैप होना चाहिए खाने के बीच में। आपका एक हाथ थक गया है तो आप दूसरे हाथ से कर सकते हैं। आप इसे 5 मिनट से स्टार्ट करके आधा घंटा तक आराम से कर सकते हैं। अनुलोम विलोम करते समय अगर आप अपना फेवरेट कोई भी म्यूजिक जैसे भजन या कोई भी और मेडिटेशन का म्यूजिक लगा करेंगे तो और आनंद आएगा। देखिए पेट नहीं हिल रहा है, पेट वहीं का वहीं है, सिर्फ आपके लंग्स एक्सपेंड होंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होंगे, एक्सपेंड होंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होंगे। Keep a paper towel with you along with the water bottle. Good. Okay. Rub your palms. Keep them on your hands. Relax. So that's Anulom Vilom Pranayam. We did it only for 5 minutes. At home when you do it, please start with at least 5 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes, and then take it up to 30 minutes. Come out of Padmasana, and then we will take. Right. So we will move to the next next phase of our yoga session, that is Surya Namaskar. Last time, if you remember, we did Surya Namaskar 5 times. Today we will increase it like by 2 times, so we will do it 7 times. Right, so let me stay like this. Hopefully you can follow. So please pay attention to the instructions. And we will do this with mantras. I will chant one mantra, chant it after me, and then follow the steps. First round we will do it very slow. Surya Namaskar has got like total 10 steps, and in each step I will tell when to inhale, when to exhale. Usually when you go back, you inhale. When you come in the front, forward bend, you will exhale, right? So they say that 13 Surya Namaskaras a day keeps the doctor away. If you don't have any time for anything else for the yoga, only do Surya Namaskaras, couple Surya Namaskaras, and then little bit of breathing exercises for 5 minutes. That should be sufficient to recharge your body to start your day. Okay, let's do first round with me. Slow. Inhale, exhale. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, go back. Both the hands go back. Exhale, come in the front. Forward bend. This is number 2. You fully exhale. You came in the forward bend. Your hands are a little bit above the ground or touching the ground. अब हैंड्स की पोजीशन यही रहेगी जब तक कि हम दोबारा ऊपर वापस नहीं आते हैं. फिर से inhale and take your left leg back. Right leg remains there. Left leg is back, like a runner's pose. You are pressing on your right side leg. आगे इसको runner's pose. Feel the stretch in your thigh. If you are not feeling it here, you are not doing it right. ठीक है? And then exhale and then come in the plank position. The number 4. अभी स्लोली नीचे आना है, लेकिन बॉडी को पूरा ऐसे बिल्कुल ढीला रिलीज नहीं कर देना है, सो नहीं जाना है, बिल्कुल स्लो नीचे आना है. ट्राइसेप्स पे फील होना चाहिए अपने बॉडी के साथ. नीचे आइए, लुक इन द फ्रंट, होल्ड द ब्रेथ हियर एंड देन इनहेल. आगे से चेस्ट को पूरा उठा देंगे, पैर वहीं रहेंगे भुजंग आसन में. एक्सेल. दिस इज लाइक अ डाउन डॉग. Down dog में you are pushing your heels down. You are trying to touch your heels with the ground, but it's okay if they hold above the ground. Hands पर पूरा pressure रखिए. उसके बाद फिर से inhale, left leg goes in the front. Exhale, other leg comes there. Now hands come back in the prayer pose. We were doing it slow. We were holding at every posture, we were holding it for a couple seconds. So now we are not going to hold it. Please follow me. The full 10 rounds. Either I will count like 1, 2, 3 or in and out. Om Ravaye Namaha. In. Out. In. Out. Hold. In, out, in, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We forgot to chant the mantra last time, so we will do 2 mantras this time. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanve Namaha. In, out, in, out. Hold, in, out, in, out, in. Relax. Om Khagaya Namaha. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Om Pushne Namaha. In, out, in, out, in, hold, in, out, in, out, in. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. This is our last round. 1. Inhale and go back. 2. Exhale and come forward. 3. Inhale. Left leg goes back. Runner's pose. 4. Plank position. 5. Coming down. Chest and knees hovering over the ground. 6. Inhale. Bhujangasana. 7. Down dog. 8. Left leg goes in the front, in the middle of your hands. 9. Exhale. Forward bend again. And then 10. Relax. Sit down again, please. Keep your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Close your mind. Continue to breathe from your nose. Now we are moving to next phase of this yoga session. Next pranayam, Kapalbhati pranayam. Kapalbhati pranayam is also focused to cleanse our respiratory system. The movement of breath in this case is going to be like in opposite direction from your stomach and from to your nose. So here we are going to put strokes on your stomach, and as you put stroke on your stomach will go inside, and as stomach goes inside, at the same time breath will come out from your nose. Mouth will remain closed all the time. We will do this for 5 minutes. It's like you're trying to blow the candle with your nose. Keep your mouth closed. Try to blow the candle with your nose. When you do that, as the air comes out from your nose, your stomach goes inside. A little bit of inhalation will happen automatically. We don't have to focus on it. So let's do Kapalbhati pranayam for next 5 minutes. हाई बीपी प्रॉब्लम में स्लो कीजिए, 1 सेकंड में एक ही स्ट्रोक कीजिए, और आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो आप 1 सेकंड में 2 स्ट्रोक भी कर सकते हैं। ऐसे कोई भी आप अपनी स्पीड चूज कीजिए, करते रहिए कपालभाति प्राणायाम फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स। करते रहिए। जब हम अनुलोम विलोम करते हैं या भस्त्रिका करते हैं तो उसमें हमारा सारा फोकस अपने लंग्स के ऊपर रहता है, अपर पोर्शन ऑफ द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम। इसमें पूरा फोकस पेट के अंदर जो भी हमारा इंटेस्टाइन है, किडनी है, लीवर है, पेनक्रियाज है, उस पूरे रीजन को स्टिमुलेट करने पर फोकस है। Relax. Have your palms generate heat. Keep them on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Relax. Before we move to the next round of pranayama, we will do a few simple yoga asanas. So let's do yoga asana for our lower back a little bit. So lie down. After you lie down, lift your right leg up, stretch it fully, bend it again, lift your left leg and then stretch it fully. With inhale, with exhale, bring it down. Now, your right leg goes up like this and then you hold from your right hand, जैसे अंगूठे के पास से पकड़ना है, right hand, left leg goes up, left hand से left वाले feet को अंदर वाली side से पकड़िए and stay in this position. This is called happy baby pose. You would have seen a lot of babies doing this many a times. जैसे अपने पैर ऊपर करके और अपने अंगूठे को पकड़े रहते हैं, like that. Knees is slightly bent, and then with your hands you are pushing your legs a little bit down slightly, and then legs are pushing a little bit up. Once you are here for a couple breaths, you can slowly rock your happy baby pose with control, with fully control के साथ में थोड़ा left right side में लेके जाइए. Do it slow. Relax. That was happy baby pose. दोनों टांगों को नीचे ले आइए. इसके बाद में हम करेंगे मत्स्यासन. This is also called fish pose. Both the hands will go under the butts. पूरा शरीर कसा हुआ, दोनों हाथ अपने हिप्स के नीचे. ऐसा करने के बाद में इनहेल करके शरीर को ऊपर से उठाएंगे, टांगे वहीं रहेंगी. उठाकर आप अपने एल्बोस के ऊपर आ जाइए. जैसे आप यहाँ आए, पीछे सिर्फ ये शरीर का ये भाग पीछे जाएगा. Your head is kind of hovering over the ground, or chest is fully expanded in the front. और अपनी एल्बोस के ऊपर ऐसे. जब इसे बाहर आना है तो पहले हेड को ऊपर लेके आइए और उसके बाद में विद कंट्रोल कम डाउन. Let's do this 2 more times. Please do this with me. Hands on the sides, under the hips. You will inhale and lift your body up. Come up to your elbows. Once you are here, go down. Feet remain there. दोनों पैर आपस में जुड़े हुए. बीच में से उठा दीजिए चेस्ट को. After a couple breaths, bring your head in the middle and then slowly come down. Let's do this one more last time. Inhale. Lift your body and then bend. Lift your head. Come back. Relax. Now we will practice one pose while lying on our stomach. Very good. भुजंगासन हमने ऑलरेडी बहुत बार किया है. दोनों हाथों को अपने चिन के नीचे रखिए और बिल्कुल लाइटली लेग्स को one at a time with inhale and exhale. Now we'll be moving towards धनुरासन. सिर्फ राइट लेग को बेंड कीजिए. राइट लेग को बेंड करके दोनों हाथों से पकड़िए. सिर्फ दोनों हाथों से पकड़िए और शरीर को नीचे ही रखिए और थोड़ा खींचिए इस पैर को. You will feel lot of stretch on your right thigh muscle, front side of the thigh.
एक्सेल को कहीं छोड़ दीजिए. Lift the left leg up, both the hands, hold it, and then pull it towards you so that your left knee lifts little bit above the ground. You are fully inhaled here, and if you can do this easily, you can lift your front body also a little bit with the inhale, and with exhale you can bring it down. Let's do this one more time with each leg. Right leg, hold, lift your front portion, try to lift leg also. Exhale, come down. We'll do this with the left leg bend, hold, inhale, lift your leg and front portion, exhale, come down. We will do the same thing with both the legs now. This time your right hand is holding your right leg, left hand is holding your left leg. शरीर को नीचे रखते हुए ही दोनों को होल्ड कीजिए. उसके बाद इनहेल करेंगे, डीप इनहेल करेंगे. इनहेल के साथ साथ शरीर को आगे से उठाइए और दोनों पैरों को भी पीछे से उठाने की कोशिश करेंगे. पैरों के बीच में थोड़ा गैप रख लीजिए. पैर जैसे हाथों को पुश कर रहे हैं और हाथ पैरों को पुश कर रहे हैं, उस पोजीशन में धनुरासन में रहिए. एक्सेल करते हुए नीचे आइए. You should feel it here on your lower back. Let's do this one more time. Relax. इसके बाद में वज्रासन में बैठ जाइए. वज्रासन में दोनों पैरों में ज्वाइन करके हील्स के बीच में हिप्स को रख के ऐसे बैठ जाएंगे. अभी हमने जो भी पोस्चर किए थे, in those postures our spine was kind of bent. Now we'll try to bend our spine in the opposite direction. दोनों पैरों के बीच में फासला कर लीजिए. दोनों पीछे से जो पैर हैं, अंगूठे दोनों मिले हुए हैं, लेकिन आगे जो नीज पहले जॉइंट थे हमने उनके बीच में फासला कर लिया है. Now like we go in the child's pose, like that we'll go with hand, exhale and then go down. Stretch both the hands in the front, go down. Forehead is on the ground. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Slowly, with hand, come back. We'll just do one more asana. Come to the plank position. Please listen to the instructions carefully. Last time we किया था ये हमने. This is called like pigeon pose. Very good hip opener as we keep sitting all the time at home. So this is going to stretch our hips. So lift your right leg, bend your right leg. Right knee comes close to the right elbow. Right feet comes close to the left hand. And then you keep it down. अब जो लेफ्ट वाला पैर बच गया है उसको नीचे यूं लगा लीजिए और सिर्फ यहाँ पे एक बार होल्ड करने की कोशिश कीजिए. You should feel lot of stretch in your lower back here, and then you can choose to come in the front here like this. जहां तक भी आप जा सकते हैं फ्रंट में आप वहां पे जा सकते हैं. Once you are in the final position here, you should feel lot of stretch in your right hip at this point. Lot of stretch on the right hip. आप यहाँ रहिए. जहां तक भी आप जा सकते हैं, आप बिल्कुल यहाँ पे हैं तो भी ठीक है. जहां तक भी आप जा सकते हैं, slowly हर रोज कीजिएगा तो this will open your hips. Slowly we came back up. Curl your left toes. Push your left toes back. Now come out of this position. Come back to the plank position again. You will do this with the left leg. Once you are in the plank position, lift your left leg, stretch it a bit.
Bend your left leg. Left knee goes close to the left elbow and the left feet comes close to the right hand, and the left leg, right leg now, keeping it on the ground, trying to sit down here, or with hand, to try to go down a little bit. You can stay here also, like this, or go down further. Your body should feel good. Don't push it too much. Push it a little bit, but don't push it too much. In any yoga pose, you should be able to stay in that pose for as long as you want. Your body should remain comfortable with the posture, with a little bit of stretch. Curl your right toes. Lift your right leg. Other leg. Come back to plank position and join me again in the sitting position. We are almost done. We'll move to the Bhramari Pranayam. So we'll do first round with your eyes closed. Eyes will remain closed. Your both the hands will remain on the eyes. Only eyes are closed. The way we do it is we inhale deeply while keeping our back straight, neck straight. After we are fully inhaled deeply, we are going to chant Om, and then while we are chanting Om, O sound will be very little, like for 20%, and then more sound will be for 80% of the time. That will create a lot of vibrations in our lips and in our respiratory system. Let's do this 3 times, please. Inhale. Keep your eyes closed, rub your palms, keep them on the closed eyes, and then continue to keep your eyes closed. If you do this Bhramari Pranayam every day, you will never get cracks on your lips. Even in the winter, you won't have to use any artificial stuff from the stores, because it generates a lot of vibrations in your lips that increases a lot of blood circulation in your lip region. We'll do another type of Bhramari Pranayam, again very simple. With your first finger, close the ear, and we'll do the exact same thing where we inhale and then chant Om sound 3 times. Close your ears. Down, rub your palms, keep them on your eyes, and then keep your eyes closed. Eyes will remain closed. We will do this last set of Bhramari Pranayam. Only difference is
This time both our hands will remain on top of our head. Sides of our palms are putting gentle pressure on the sides of our head, very gentle, and then we will chant Om 3 times in the exact same way. Please join me. Hands come down. Put your palms again one more time. Keep them on your eyes. And then keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Wherever you are, please lie down on the ground in Savasana pose. In Savasana pose, we just lie down on the body. Keep your hands on the sides of your body. Palms are open. Legs are fully relaxed. Relax your entire body. Do a deep inhale, exhale a little bit. अभी दोनों palms को hand body के side में लगाइए और दोनों पैर भी join कर लीजिए. We will do a deep inhalation and we will stretch our body. पैर पीछे खींचेंगे और पूरा बॉडी को कस लेंगे सांस भर के. Release it. Let's do this one more time. Relax. Leave your hands free on the sides. Your feet also on the sides. Keep your eyes closed. Clear your thoughts. Focus on your breath. With closed eyes, with closed mind, try to visualize your body from outside of your body. See if you can still see your body with your closed eyes, with closed mind. शरीर को बिल्कुल ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Let it stay heavy on the ground. Feel the ground. Feel the minor changes that you got in your body from last 1 hour. Back into this body. Once you have entered your body again, move your body a little bit. And let's sit down. Open your eyes gently. That concludes our yoga session for today. Namaste.